Let's start with elevate your tech leadership and expert project operations and product management. So, what is the concept behind this one? It's is the process of how to driving innovations in operational excellence and producing a transformative results in different technology landscape. If you have a cross-functional team like engineers, technicians, and project managers, so from all this and cross-functioning and different functions, so delivering impactful solutions, and this will going to help you that how to accelerate business growth and industrial standard. We can elevate ourselves being a tech leader, transforming visions into impact solutions. So there are three phenomena on this one. First, there's proven track records, innovation drivers, and life cycle mastery. What is the proven track record? Actually, this is leading cross-functional team to deliver technology. So how we can deliver technology results? Manage projects successfully if the project relating to software or cloud or infrastructures or AI powered projects. These all platforms are proven track records, so you can get a measurable business impact by using this insight. Innovation drivers champion operational excellence that accelerate businesses growth through strategic process optimization, implementing cutting edge methodologies that transform how teams work and deliver values to customer. So these innovation drivers can help you how to deliver a values to the customers. Customer are the priority. And life cycle mastery is expert managing the full product life cycles from idealization through launch and continuous optimization. So it's a full mastery that once you have the ideas and bring idea into the live, and after that continuous monitoring of that product to make the product successful, balancing technical requirement with the market and need to create solutions that resonate with the user driven revenues. So our main impact is to bring the revenue. So bring the revenue, there is a proper life cycle. So follow the all the steps to come up with the outcomes. Leaders always thinking about the outcomes. Leadership that inspire and delivers. So 30% productivity gains, team efficiency improvements. How you can increase your 30% team efficiency improvements? Building and motivating diverse team across engineering, design, and business units requires more technical expertise. So if your team is efficient and if the productivity is good, so by continuous coaching them as per strategic decisions, by collaborating with trust and creating environment where innovations thrives naturally. So environment is very important for the team productivity, and if you want outcome by 30%, that is important to focus on this. Next one is the clear communication. So communication is very vital during project management or product management. So each and every person should be communicated properly with their outcomes, their responsibilities, and each and everything, and keep the stakeholders by using clear communication. They should know what is going on. Project lead successfully if it's communicated properly or engaged properly all the stakeholders. Strategic planning and operation excellence. For this one, have to design a workflow. Then you have to do agile methodologies, data-driven improvements, and continuous optimizations. So how this happen? Designing a scalable workflow that reduces project delivery time by 40%, enabling team to ship faster without sacrificing on the quality. So the main point of this one is you have to be don't go much detail and team to make it perfect and then be a just you make a idealization, make it prototype, test it, and after that testing you can send it to the market and get feedback from the market and then continuously improvement on this one. Agility is all about the things will going change. The scope can variable that can anytime will be changing. So adapting quick to evaluate each tech landscape and market demands. So agility is always faster delivery, but and reduction in the project timeline is very important. So if you have agile approach, then follow on that, export in agile, and then do it accordingly and produce the outcomes. Data driven improvements, implement analytics, bake process, improving that operational cost by 25% while increasing the output quality. So this is very main phenomenon. We can decrease operational cost, but we will not compromise on qualities. Quality is one of the key things. If you produce a good product and outcome is good, but may during proactive measures we can reduce 25% of operational cost as well. And how to optimize the things? Establish feedback. That is very important phenomenon. That feedback is very important, which help us to increase our quality, customer satisfactions, and result oriented decision making. So continuous optimizations drive ongoing refinements and sustainable operational excellence. It will save our cost and gain our efficiency by 25% if we follow this phenomenon. Driving innovation and tech environments. High integration leadership, cutting edge adoptions, and strategic foresight. Let's transform Mateo AI integrations projects that enhance predictive analytics capabilities and automate routines tasks. Team should focus on strategic initiative that drives competitive advantages. So AI is helping us and it produces the result more faster, more authentic way. So man become a superman by if he is using the leadership the AI integrations. And cutting edge adaptation is innovative tools and we can use platforms increase our productivity. So nowadays it's a era of AI by using innovative tools and new methodologies and new techniques using we can increase 50% of our uh, quality standards and designs and new design. These all are very easy. And but the thing is leaders should think about in this way. Navigate complex challenges of emerging technology with ethical consideration and strategic foresight. Always align the things with your organization values and market needs should be considered because the market is changing continuously. To stay up to the mark and being a impactful, you have to check the organizational values there and then patch up them with the market needs. Then we have product management. Product management can idealization, then it's coming to market success. So each product have their own return on investment. What we are making and what return on investment we will get. So if you have idea, any platform like life cycle of SaaS project or you are managing any app or any website or any product that bring you customer centric roadmap and engagements will produce you results. What is the outcome of that? And how dependencies are there, how to idealize, then prototype it, and then make it in the market. These all phenomena should be involved, and return on investment is there. Real result, case studies, impacts. So we have some this case studies. Let's suppose you have the product, then you need a gateway that is partner with payment gateway, and this is totally automations. Manual payment process by implementing an automatic system reduce turnout 90% while achieving 100% accuracy. So manual doing this one is hard, but when you make it automatic, it's increase your accuracy and turnout will be 90%. That is good improvements. So it will help in strategic financial decisions and it reduce our repetitions. So this is the first case study. Second one is digital onboarding revolution. AI is changing landscape. So now you have employee, just create additional employee, but that is digital employee that help you to onboarding experiences, that work call for you, that market for you, automations. Automation will streamline this process. Your day's work will be completed in hours and results is dramatic and client satisfaction is only the take human in the field when they are required, when there is a deal to be done, when there is a final close up. So then it's required. But most of the time, your digital agents will work for you. And incentive workflow optimization, the spreadsheets and our documents, a lot of things we do is we can make a particular app or something like workflow that reduce our processing time and that provide us a real-time visibility into compensations data, transforming a pain point into a competitive advantage for talent retentions. That's very key important. If you have a talent, need to retain it. Need to retain it if you want to make your company, your startup flow, strive, and grow. So retention is very important, but give them incentives, optimize them, and what should be result oriented. Building a personal brands of trust and expertise. That is very important things in any product management, product leadership. First of all, recognize authenticity. What are the industry contributors and continuous evolutions? Leadership is not about being in charge, it's about taking care of those in your charge and delivering outcomes that matters. So recognizing authenticity, industry contributors, and continuous evolutions. These are the main factors. Building a personal brand or trust and expertise. That is important. If you have any product, also apply on that. On personal life, you can apply on that. Authenticity means consistently recognize for authenticity, reliability through leadership in tech management, building trust for transparent communication and consistent delivery on commitments. Industry contributors are active contributors to industry discussions, sharing insight on the LinkedIn and conferences throughout the mentorship programs, helping shape conversation around the future of tech leadership. And continuous evolution is committed to continuously learning and skill development to stay ahead to the competitive market. And investing in the emerging technologies, then leadership development, cross-functional expertise, these are very key. So leadership is about being in charge. It's about taking care of those in your charge and delivering outcome that matters. The person behind this is Simon Sinek. Great quote from him. Why choose a leadership who delivers? Why choose a leaders who delivers? So outcome is very important. Leader must be from examples. They show the results. People will follow them. It's all about influence them. Trusted decision making, trusted by stakeholder for transparent decision making and strategic visions. What this means? The decision must be transparent. Why the leader is like that? Yes, it's not biased. It should be transparent. Building consensus while driving forward momentum. Consensus making is very important. If you want your team be successful, make transparent decision, driving by momentum, by consensus. Make sure that all voices are heard when you are working on core objectives. It will increase the boost the team morale. It will help to elevate your team. Technical business acumen. These are very important. Proven ability to balance technical depth with business acumen. How it's possible? Speaking the language of engineer, designer, executives, and customers. Translate between these words to create alignment and drive results. So engineer are speaking, designer are speaking, executive are speaking, but how these technicals should be and the business impact. What are outcome we are creating? If we are deploying one code, what will be the output of this code? How much this code add value in our business? What is return on investment of that codes? And if we are producing a new results or new designs, what design will impact? Either it will create a new values, either impact new revenues, or what in what sense this new design will help us. So always we are thinking about the technical outcomes. What will be the outcome of our projects? Sustainable innovations, important things, empowering team. If you empower the team, driving sustainable innovations, create a system and culture where excellence become the norm, not the exceptions. So team will stay a longer time. They will produce the results. Let's build future together. If you want to transform your project, or either you optimize your operations, or you are making your groundbreaking products, lead complex technology initiative. Let's explore how strategic leadership can accelerate your success. So we together we can solve the issues and we can discuss the vision and discover how we drive meaningful results in the any projects. Stay and like the video, give your comments how we can make more impactful presentation for you for elevating your tech skills. From this presentation, what you will get strategic planning expertise, you will get proven expressional excellence, product lifecycle mastery, and cross-functional team leadership. So these are important things and thumbs up and support us. Thank you for watching.